again. So for today, I'm going to do my second video. My Birchbox. I got it yesterday, so let's just get started because I've been waiting for it. This something leaked and it's in here, so it's still good. I can still use it, but it's just leaked. Okay. I'll show you what leaked in here. It doesn't feel like it, but it leaked. This guy is a vitamin C toner. This guy kind of leaked because it was kind of like this. And then the doodad came off. So, yeah, good majority. There's not very much in here. So, I don't know if we'll use this because there's not a whole lot. As you can tell, it's not really a lot. But it's good to have a toner. It's my first toner. Okay, next is this Balance Me face oil. Oh, this guy is $26. And then this is the all natural. It's vegan. It's from UK. Balance Me face oil. It's just in this thingy here. It's a roll on. That's great. It'd be nice if it was filled up a little bit more. Anyways, this guy is $43. And then I got this Comfort Zone, let's just say a face cream, I think. Yeah, face cream. This is full size is $68. That's pricey. Okay, and then for my sample that I picked for the box, not very good. I was like, okay, I'll get this one. So this is same as this guy here, the book one. So I just got the gold. This one smells good too. Just that. So yeah, it smells really good too. And then last thing, not very much. It's only 5. Usually it gets 6 or so. It's this Jasmine body cream. Oh, I forgot to tell you the price of this guy. This guy is $120 for the gold scented one. For this guy. Okay. Anyways, this guy here is $35. So yeah, just a nice little hand cream or body cream, whichever you want to use it. It's vegan. No, it's cruelty free. Oh, it's vegetarian. Okay, that's weird. Usually it's vegan, not vegetarian. So yeah. That's what I got in my box. Got some good stuff. Be nice to read a little bit more. Usually there's like 6, but anyways, I like what I got. I'm just kind of depressed that this guy wastes a lot. So yeah, just a short video of what I got for my box for this month. I hope you guys like it, and this is what the box looks like. It even says Birchbox on here. This is cool. This is a cool box. I really like the box. So yeah, I think that's it. That's 2 videos for today. Did my birthday, explains things and stuff, and then show you guys my Birchbox. So yeah, I hope you guys love you guys. Hope you guys love you guys. Be safe and all that jazz. And yeah, see you maybe tomorrow. I work. Usually I'm very, very tired. But anyways, we'll see what happens. Okay. Bye guys.